The benefits and risks of using AI in business. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the way businesses operate by enabling them to automate tasks and processes that were previously only possible for humans to perform. From customer service to supply chain management, AI has the potential to improve business efficiency and productivity, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and risks. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. By analyzing large datasets, businesses can gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and other key metrics that can help them make informed decisions. AI algorithms can also automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time and resources for employees to focus on more critical activities. AI can also improve the customer experience by providing personalized recommendations and responses. Chatbots and virtual assistants, for example, can handle customer inquiries and requests 24/7, providing a seamless and efficient experience. AI-powered product recommendations can also help businesses upsell and cross-sell products, increasing revenue and customer satisfaction. However, there are also significant risks associated with the use of AI in business. One of the primary concerns is the potential for bias in AI algorithms, which can perpetuate existing social and economic inequalities. For example, an AI-powered hiring tool that is trained on data from predominantly male candidates may discriminate against female applicants. It is crucial for businesses to ensure that their AI systems are developed and trained in an ethical and transparent manner. Another risk is the potential for AI to replace human jobs, particularly in industries such as manufacturing and transportation. While AI can automate many tasks, it is not yet capable of replicating the full range of human capabilities, such as creativity and empathy. It is important for businesses to consider the impact of AI on their workforce and take steps to retrain employees and create new job opportunities. AI also raises concerns around privacy and security. As AI systems collect and process vast amounts of data, there is a risk that sensitive information could be compromised or misused. It is essential for businesses to ensure that their AI systems are secure and comply with data protection regulations. In conclusion, AI has the potential to transform the way businesses operate, but it also comes with significant benefits and risks. By leveraging the power of AI, businesses can improve efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. However, it is crucial for businesses to consider the ethical, social, and economic implications of AI and take steps to mitigate any potential risks. With careful planning and implementation, AI can be a powerful tool for driving innovation and growth in businesses. Thanks for watching this video from 5-Minute Knowledge. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on a variety of topics. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Have a suggestion for a topic you'd like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for being a part of the 5-Minute Knowledge community.